So BOS is one simple strategy you should try, and it works perfectly on a trending market. The market has to be trending either up or down before you take such trade. Okay, so what is BOS? That's breakout structure. It is when the price breaks the previous swing high in an uptrend or swing low in a downtrend, confirming a continuation of trend. So let's say, for example, let me quickly use this to show you how it looks like. Let's say you have a uptrend, right? Let's say you have an uptrend like this, right? Trend like this, right? Go up. You can see basically this is clearly an uptrend. And how do you know that it is an uptrend? How do you know that it is an uptrend? You will see series of higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs up and higher lows forming. So this basically tell you that this is an uptrend, right? So the simplest way to trade this strategy is that you mark this line. You mark this line like this. You mark it like this. Your entry point mostly should be here. Then we test. You don't just enter after you see a breakout structure. No, you need confirmation, right? They will test, and aside the retest, you need to see maybe pullback candle or an engulfing candlestick, all those reversal candlesticks, right? You need to see to confirm that yes, this trend wants to go to the direction. Okay, so this particular place is now your point of interest, or POI. This particular place is now your point of interest, right? So basically that is just the simplest way I can explain this strategy for you. Okay, so let's look at this chart currently. This strategy works on any currency pair, crypto, gold, GBP, USD, just wherever. So you can see we have a downtrend here, and what happened is a change of character. Change of character means the trend wants to change direction, right? So immediately after this change of character, what happened? We have an uptrend. Clearly you can see that this particular zone is uptrend, right? So what happened after the change of character? We have a break of structure, right? We have a break of structure. You can see that there's a break of structure here, right? There's a BOS here. So now most traders use this strategy and it works perfectly for them. It works perfectly. The number one rule is that you make sure that there's a trend. There's a clear trend, either uptrend or downtrend, right? And immediately you mark out, you see a break of structure happen, maybe series like 2 break of structure or so happens, you mark out that point of break of structure as your point of interest, meaning you will not be waiting for this market to come back to this zone, for you to enter the trade. So this place becomes your point of interest. You can clearly see how this market reacted. It came to your point of interest and it goes. So now you don't immediately enter this trade just like that. You have to use some signs like maybe the engulfing candlestick or a pullback candle to enter the trade. So, and you can see how this trade went well. Okay, you can see how this trade went well. Your stop loss will just be below your point of interest, your entry zone, and you can see the trade went very, very well. So let me shift the stop loss down. If you're using the after an engulfing candlestick, you can see what happened. Your stop loss should be below a place. Then you can see how this trade went, which is the good RR. Okay, so now the checklist is easy. What you need to do is to make sure that there is a trend, right? Clearly find that there is a trend, either uptrend or downtrend, right? And you have noticed that it has started forming swing highs and swing lows. Probably in an uptrend, higher highs or higher lows. You have clearly seen that, right? Then the next thing for you to make sure that the price breaks previous structure, which is the BOS, right? You have seen that clearly also. Then you need to see a very strong engulfing candlestick at your point of interest, or a pullback candlestick as a point of interest, to show you that yes, this market really wants to continue the trend, right? So that would be your entry points. So try this strategy and let me know in the comment section how it went. And also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, and like this video, share this video so that others will benefit. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, we do drop signals there. Do well to join our Telegram channel.